To download a watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is easy. You're going to begin by opening up the Google Play Store on your watch itself. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and you want to look for the option Browse Watch Faces. Go ahead and select it. From here, you should be able to see different watch faces available for you that you can download. Now, they are separated into different categories, so go ahead and just find something that suits you. When you find it, go ahead and select it like so. And then some of them will need you to pay, some of them will be free. So go ahead and just choose whatever option you prefer. Then select install, or you can also choose to have the watch face automatically set as soon as it's downloaded. So you can choose to enable that for any other watch faces, or you can just choose to do this for this specific one. Then go ahead and select set, wait for it to be made as your watch face, and now when you go to back home, you should be able to see your brand new downloaded watch face on your Galaxy Watch 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.